Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera dito sa Amerika. Ito po, ipakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko ng $20 from $149.99. More than, parang 160 ata ito, including tax. So, let's see. Hallelujah, iOS. So, for iOS, oh my gosh. Hindi pala ito pwede sa cellphone ko. Ewan ko. What's iOS? But anyway, tingnan natin kung mamount ko ito sa aking cellphone. Ito po, oh. How do I do this? Sabi ng tao, hindi daw ito niya nagamit. Hindi niya nagamit. So, this means na bagong-bago siya. So, I do not know what this is. Panghapak. Joke. Okay. Siguro pang mounting lang talaga itong ang gamit nito. What is this for? Ewan ko. Kailangan ko ng manual. Alright. Tapos, another feature of this is, hindi ko alam na may mic pala, oh. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Teka lang. Yan. Laki naman ng pwede ito pang makeup. Yan. Tapos, ito yung kanyang manual. Alright. Ibalik kita sa yung pinanggalingan. And then, what else? Ooh. Meron pa. Now, what are you? Parang flashlight. And then, ooh, what is this? Nako, pag iPhone yung gamit nito eh. What in the world is this? Oh, parang lens? Camera lens? I don't know. Ewan ko talaga. Ang alam ko, kailangan ko lang ng tripod. But, if it comes with some other accessories, that would be a lot better. Kaya lang hindi siya tumutugma doon sa aking cellphone ata. And what are you? Guys, ang dami mga chichiburuchi guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito gagawin. Oh, okay. So, kailangan pa lang i-connect ito sa electricity. At ewan ko. So, Corey, what is this for? What's the use of this? And what camera is right for this one? Kasi sabi ni Corey, hindi daw bagay yung camera ko dito. What kind of camera can I use this with? Huh?
It says Apple iPhone.
So, what's my cell phone then? What is it?
It's a Samsung Galaxy. It's not, it's Android.
I don't know what they are. What's the difference? Doggy! Hoot, hoot, hoot.
Different operating system.
Different operating. Can I change my camera then? Can we change it? Parang ito lang yung kailangan ko talaga.
Well,
how do you install this? This is like fun.
I mean, you can still use a tripod.
Tripod probably I can use it, but the other
microphone, unless they have like a adapter of some kind. Maybe there's an adapter. I don't know how that works.
ewan ko. Basta ito lang yung hinahanap ko. But how are you going to connect this though? I really have no clue. But anyway, ganun talagang mga matatandang tao guys eh. Walang kaalam-alam sa mga pangyayari sa mga bagong technology ngayon. Guys, naaawa ako dun sa aso ng kapitbahay kasi hindi na nila pinalabas kasi riniport sila ng asawa ko. Ito naman kasi si Corey. Ay naku. Riniport kasi naman yung aso nila palaging tumatakol. Kahit na kasi sa labas na nila nilagay. So, ang nangyari report sila ni Corey. Tapos, hindi ko na alam kung paano ito balik. So, report sila ng asawa ko. Kaya yun, wala ng asong nagtatahol. Kawawa naman. So, meaning, yung mga aso nila hindi na nakalabas. pwede naman nilang palabasin yung mga tuta nila, but not not all the time. Yung mga 30 minutes lang in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon. Yung mga ganun-ganun lang ba? Para hindi madisturbo yung mga kapitbahay. But anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Yan daw yung gamit ng tripod. So, ewan ko kung paano ito gagamitin. But, mobile filmmaking kit for iOS devices. Ay, tingnan lang natin. Guys ba?
In half a mile, take exit 4.
Okay, Miss GPS. Nung nanalamin ako guys, hindi naman ganito yung mukha ko. Pagkita ko sa inyo sa salamin, hindi naman ganito kapula. Oh. Da. What?
7 miles. Make sure that's Westchester. I don't know.
Ito, na naman, nag-alburuto naman itong kasama ko. Can you say hi to my viewers? Just smile for them.
Hello.
You seem like you've been like parang tinauban ng mundo. It's like the whole world is falling on you. Pero going back to the
No, mowing earlier.
you're tired? You say pagod?
That's kapoy, right? Kapoy. Kapoy.
Kapoy, yes. But in Tagalog, it's pagod.
Pagod.
Pagod ako
Pagod ako.
kasi
Kasi.
I just mowed. So he's kind of tired because he just mowed doon sa aming current house. And talking about our current house guys, hindi namin almalayan ba na may malaki pala, napakalaking guslot yung hole ba doon sa aming atop. Hindi namin alam.
There was discoloration at the ceiling in the garage, so it's probably.
Oh, okay. Hindi namin alam kung sa gray, buti na lang sa gray guys. Hindi namin alam na ganun pala kalaki yung buslot. Oh my goodness. Tapos yung sa sa kapitbahay namin, nagpaayos sila ng kanilang drainage, I guess. Nakita ng contractor nila na may buslot yung bahay namin. Oh my goodness. So yun, buti na lang pumunta si Dan doon sa sa aming bahay ngayon. So inayos niya. But what the heck? Like, kalo ko But ayaw ko talaga itong camera ito. But anyway, punta kami ngayon dahil kukuha ako ng ukay-ukay. Dalawang ukay-ukay yung kukunin ko ngayon. At guys, grabe yung discount na nakuha ko. Yung isa is worth like $300+. So magkano yan? Mga 15,000 plus. Almost, kasi plus $300+. So, bibilhin ko lang ng $70. So, what is $70 in pesos? 3,500 lang from 15,000 plus. So, yun. Yay, I'm so excited.
Narang mga lubilin buhira. Asa dito. Kunyara ko mo suroy dito ha. Buhira ang mga lubilin Kunyara ko mo suroy dito dakita. Buhi man daw pod ang mangga, ingon si Manong. And then ang usa ka lansunis diri dapita kana. Kana kita ka. Buhi ra siya kana.
Snyder. Down that road.
Oh, okay. Pasal muna kayo. Kumuna kayo dito, guys. So, may dyan.
Oh, was I supposed to go somewhere?
In 800 feet, make a U-turn.
What in the world? Nagkamali kami. So, what are we going to do? Turn around?
It's at 2 miles. Where are they taking us? I need to.
Ito talagang GPS. Sometimes. In God we trust, yes. Deerfield Township. So, ito po yung malapit doon sa aming unang apartment na napakauna na tinirahan ko dito sa Amerika. And pagdating ko dito sa Amerika guys, I was really shocked. You know why? Diba sa atin, yung mga pusa natin, inaano lang natin sa gilid-gilid. Tapos dito guys, grabe pala yung pag-treat nila ng mga pusa dito. Parang anak nila. Pagdating ko dito guys, pagpasok ko pa lang sa apartment, oh my gosh, ang daming toys, ang daming laruan ng pusa. I was so shocked. Like our cats in the Philippines, we don't buy them toys. They entertain themselves. Tapos dito guys, oh my gosh, may dolls pa siya, tapos may strings, mga ibang-iba pa, tapos ang taba-taba pa noon ni Corey, ni Rusty. Tapos sabi ko, laki naman ang pusa nito. Pero syempre, cat lover ako. Ito po yung ano, dati naming town. Tapos nung nakabili na kami ng bahay, 20 minutes away from here. So, how many years did we stay in Mason? I mean, me? Probably just a year. So, isang taon lang yung pagstay ko sa apartment namin. Tapos nakabili na kami ng bahay. Kaya lumipat kami mga
Like
20-25 minutes away, ha?
3 or 4 months for you.
Oh, 3 or 4 months?
Yeah.
No,
For me, it was
4 years.
a year and a half.
Yeah.
Or no, yeah, 2006 is when I came.
Yeah, and did you have to pay additional rent for Rusty?
Yeah, like 25 a month.
So yun, dun sa ano, sa apartment namin, kailangan magrenta din. Nako guys, pagdating ko dito, napaka-spoil ni Rusty. Tapos, ano, pinisil ko yung ano niya, yung mukha niya, galit siya guys. Parang, what in the world are you doing to me? Na ano ako, nakukyutan talaga ako sa kanya. So, yun, pinisil ko yung tiyan na, naku guys, ito, maganda yung mga bahay dito, mga milyonaryo, mga siguro milyonaryo yung mga tao dito.
Tell me what the address is.
The address is
Right.
right.
Your destination is on the right.
Right. Oh gosh.
Right.
Come on.
So this is probably the 8 POA.
Oh yeah, I think that is it. 4081.
Yeah. Ito mga ano ng mga mayayaman,
Is that
hindi
what it
sila
says? I
gusto
can't
na ano,
see.
makita yung bahay nila. Okay, nakuha na namin yung okay namin. But anyway, going back to my story about Rusty. Yun, kinurot ko yung tiyan at saka pisngi niya kasi na anuhan ako ba, nakukyutan ako. Tapos nako, nung nakatingin siya sa akin, galit siya. Tapos tumakbo ako, tapos tumakbo din siya I don't know how you say it in Tagalog. Bakit naman ako nagtatagalog kasi? Ang hirap talaga magtagalog guys. Yun, kinurot ko yung pisngi niya, tapos nagalit siya, tumakbo din siya, linanat niya ako ba? Ano bang linanat sa Tagalog? He ran after me, tapos I was like really laughing. Cory, you're that. Remember? Tapos ano, napaka-spoiled doon. Takbo ako around the apartment, tapos yun, takbo din siya, tapos yung tiyan na malapit nang sasaga doon sa ano, sa floor kasi mataba. Tapos Cory, tapos after that ako, pag nakatulog na siya ahead sa bed, hindi na siya pwedeng galawin. So, ang nangyari, si Cory, doon na lang sa sahig matulog. Remember, when he's already asleep, we cannot disturb him. You know, you end up sleeping on the floor. Ang ganun po kalab namin ang aming mga pusa. What are they fighting against? Minotaur and other news?
They would do that year. I remember. I didn't see him next season. I don't know about next season. I don't know. But they would show
Welcome back. Dusty. Stop.
This next fight, we're juicing it up a little. We're going from 6L to 8L on all systems. Hopefully that's going to give us enough punch we need to fight Minotaur. We switched our weapons. We actually went down a little bit. We went with our lighter weapon in order to compensate for the extra juice we're getting. Four forts. We really hope you to get underneath their wedge.
Do you know your name?
Make it gone. We got to avoid their weapon as well because it can be really powerful and damage Minotaur. We got to go forward and then make sure that we keep them as strong as we can to try to go for knockout.
It's a letdown. They don't have fleas. And he's jealous if I will comb the other cats. Like, ito na po yung pusa na nagkasakit, tapos okay na siya ngayon. A few more, how many tablets more of prednisone?
It is not easy. There's so many more responsibilities. I thought he did a great job of not only
4 na lang na ano, every other day yung ano niya, steroids niya para totally gumaling na siya. So I'm so excited. Hindi na siya masyadong nagsasnot, wala na siyang tulo na sipon, tapos more importantly, wala na siyang what they call this one, blood sa kanyang, wala na siyang blood sa kanyang snotting. Yan din yung isa, pinaka-favorite ko. Yan si Fluffy or si Parker, yung original name niya. Tapos Fluffy kasi yung nickname niya kasi napaka-fluffy nung niya, nung buntot niya. Tapos ito naman, oh, isn't he handsome? Why are you so cute? Thank you, Lord. Okay na yung niya, kahimtang niya. So, yan na lang po muna yung trabaho natin tonight kasi hindi na talaga ako pwedeng magsamok-samok at saka mag-ingay-ingay dahil natutulog na yung mga kapitbahay natin dito.